Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to remove Threads badge on Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now, let's dive right in. So first things first, what we are going to do is to simply open our Instagram application. Now here in our profile, what we're going to do is that we can actually see our badge under our profile name. So click on your profile badge. Now after which you will see this notification below. What you're going to do is to click on hide badge. And when you simply enter that one, there will be a pop out that will ask you to remove your badge. But one thing that you need to remember is that you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it. So once you've clicked on the remove badge, you cannot have it once again. And basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!